Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with British pound versus US dollar first. So basically what we found here is that market traded for a couple of days in a row to the upside, and market found resistance around 1.2840 mark, and we actually had some consolidation there, and there was a breakout. So market actually did break this consolidation to the downside, retested this morning and rejected back. So I still think there is a chance for the pullback towards the rising trend lines, exactly like as I mentioned yesterday, so that the market at least can trade towards the 1.2695, and also that's the area around this rising trend line, the most recent rising trend line, which is this one. So there is a potential for that pullback towards that rising trend line, and as long as the price can remain below 1.2850 mark. If we speak about the gold market is in a strong consolidation. So we can see here that market had this strong buying tail from last week, and it didn't have a follow through. And actually, it had some down day yesterday, but it was like more like a holiday day in the US. So today, market is still overall trading in a very light range. And as long as the market, from my perspective, as long as the market is staying below the 1975, 1983, there is also chance for the lower prices and to attack this pin bar territory from this area here, from this day here. If we check like a 15-minute time frame, we can see that we're trading in some kind of a channeling mode on the 15-30 minute time frame. So this is kind of in a channeling mode. And for now, market is just oscillating around. So it actually had a breakout of this range, which is a good sign for the lower prices. So on this one, we have a consolidation, but the thing that we didn't have a follow through 2 trading days ago, that's already for me a big sign that the buyers were not ready to any further upside moment at the breakout of this range. So the upside only, from my perspective, if we can really hold above 1975, break that 1975 or 1975, and then hold above. Otherwise, it can go and try to attack this pin bar territory around 1935, 1923. Speaking about crude oil, so still the market is in a heavy consolidation. We have this pin bar territory, market retested 2 times, but we also have this resistance area around 74 mark, 74.30, and market is basically in the middle of this trading range. I would like to see the breakout either of resistance, so 74.70, and hold above for the higher prices, or for the market to take this pin bar territory and basically take the pin bar low at 63.66 in order to confirm the further downside movement in downside direction. So consolidation, and so far in the middle of the consolidation. And the Bitcoin, again, we have this supply trend line. So we have this supply trend line which is active, and market is just around that supply trend line. So far, no any impulsive move or to push through this supply trend line. So for now, market is this downside channeling mode. And here we need to observe to see what kind of price action we have. So we actually had this breakout of the range, but then market was way too volatile around this area. And so far, we can see that market is breaking this rising trend line. It's retested here, and it's going lower so far. So we might see even some big breakout of this trading range. So that will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.